Happy Run G100 Pro. The G100 Pro is a high-performance electric bike that fuses motorcycle-inspired aesthetics with rugged e-bike functionality. Priced competitively at $2,600, it delivers exceptional power through a 3000W nominal motor, capable of peaking at 4000W and producing 95 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring strong acceleration and excellent climbing ability. Its dual battery system, consisting of two 72V batteries with a total capacity of 30 Ah, extends the range beyond 78 miles, making long rides and demanding commutes possible without frequent recharging. Constructed with a durable stainless steel fiber frame, the G100 Pro features a fully adjustable suspension system on both the front and rear, guaranteeing a smooth ride across rough terrain. For reliable braking, it is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, while its 20x4-inch Chaoyang puncture-resistant tires provide enhanced grip and stability. Autopia Fusion GT. The Fusion GT electric bike stands out as a high-performance machine that seamlessly blends advanced technology, sleek aesthetics, and solid power. Built with a high-quality carbon fiber frame and a low-step-to design, this e-bike weighs just 55 pounds while accommodating riders between 5 feet 3 inches and 6 feet 3 inches in height, with a total weight capacity of 330 pounds. Its dual motor system delivers a peak output of 1,500 watts through two paired 36-volt, 350-watt hub motors, ensuring smooth acceleration and dependable power across different terrains. The Fusion GT is powered by a removable 36-volt, 14.7 amp-hour Samsung Li-ion battery, offering a maximum range of 70 miles, which can be extended up to 120 miles with an optional second battery. Riders can choose between 4 pedal assist levels or activate the throttle, which provides a default top speed. Electric X-Peak 2.0. The X-Peak 2.0 electric bike is a tough, high-performance fat tire machine that offers outstanding value for both urban commuters and off-road adventurers. Priced at just $1,400, this e-bike delivers serious power with a strong 750-watt geared rear hub motor, generating an impressive 80 Newton-meters of torque. This ensures solid acceleration and enough muscle to conquer steep inclines and rough terrain with ease. At the heart of the X-Peak 2.0 is a 48-volt, 14-amp-hour removable battery, providing approximately 672 watt-hours of power. Under modern conditions, this allows for a practical range of up to 45 miles per charge. The bike's durable yet lightweight aluminum frame is designed as a one-size-fits-all solution, making it suitable for a broad range of riders while maintaining a sleek and stylish profile. With 26-inch wheels wrapped in wide 3.0-inch Kenda tires, the bike offers superior traction and stability across various surfaces. Its 8-speed Shimano drivetrain ensures smooth gear shifts, allowing riders to easily adjust their cadence as needed. The user-friendly backlit LCD display provides all the essential ride data, including speed, battery level, and ride mode, keeping you informed and in control. For enhanced comfort, the X-Peak 2.0 comes equipped with a front suspension fork, helping to absorb shocks from bumpy trails and uneven roads. Altogether, this e-bike strikes an excellent balance of power, range, and rugged design at an affordable price, making it a great option for performance-driven riders. The Segway Safari electric bike combines top-tier performance with advanced technology, making it an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts. With a price tag of $2,400, this rugged e-bike is powered by a high-performance 750-watt motor, generating an impressive 175 Newton-meters of torque for seamless acceleration and effortless climbing. Its removable 936WH battery delivers an outstanding maximum range of up to 88 miles per charge, making it ideal for long rides. Constructed with a robust full-cast aluminum frame, the bike's dimensions are 1,920 by 725 by 1,165 millimeters, and it weighs 92.5 pounds while supporting a payload of up to 352 pounds. Comfort is enhanced by an advanced dual suspension system, featuring 80 millimeters of front travel and 70 millimeters of rear travel. Meanwhile, the 26-inch wheels, equipped with 3-inch Kenda all-terrain tires, provide superior grip on various surfaces. Braking power comes from Tektro dual-piston hydraulic brakes with 180 millimeters rotors, ensuring dependable stopping performance. Visibility is maximized with a powerful 1,300 lumen dual-beam headlight and an integrated tail light. Smart capabilities include the Segway Intelligent Ride System, keyless airlock technology, Apple Find My integration, GPS